Hey everybody, I'm Chris Horan. I've been styling Tommy for 2.5 years now, as well as some other amazing actors and actresses. But tonight, I'm gonna be getting you ready for tonight's prom. So if you're not already wearing something, go in your closet, grab something fun, go in your dad's closet, your mom's closet, wear that thing that you're always scared to wear in public, wear that thing when we get out of quarantine because life's too short to be scared to wear anything. And I think Tommy already mentioned it, but we are picking some favorite looks. So use the hashtag UGGPRIDE and we will be sending product to our favorites. So yeah, I got my look already. I've got my little boutonniere moment. I got my fluff slides. I'm ready to dance. I dance better than this, I promise. But let's settle in here. So I got to style 3 of my close friends and I got to send them UGG products as well as some miscellaneous pieces from my kit, all done safely. And it kind of was the best time because we had a group chat going on discussing like what pieces to go with what, putting in our 2 cents. Hopefully you are doing that with your friends right now too, getting opinions, giving them, not listening to the opinions. And yeah, it's just like a fun time. So I'm gonna walk you through some of these looks and don't be fooled by some of the indoor shots because they're all things you 100% can wear once we get out of this. I love Lauren's final look so much, mainly because I think it's kind of fun to be a rule breaker. You know, sometimes at an event, you have all these pressures to dress a certain way because of a dress code. And I think that you were able to break those rules in a respectful way. And Lauren's look is kind of like the carefree, relaxed version of that. The sneaker is like the perfect pairing with the pattern top and playing with the proportion a little bit. It's just like a really fun look. So for Sierra's look, we ended up deciding on this lavender slip dress, which I'm sure a lot of you have in your closet, and pairing that with either a blazer that has like a strong shoulder or it's super oversized. But the thing that I really loved about her look as a whole is that the clothing elements are very subtle and they're muted, and that allowed the UGG fluff slide, like that hot pink color is like, it's what like hits you. All right, Juan's look. This was kind of a tie in our group chat because he had a second option that was a skirt that was equally as amazing, but the Eckhouse Lotta pants won out in the end. I feel like the colors and the funness of this print on the pant just worked so perfectly with the pink slides. It just was the right match. I also love his knit tank that's a little crop and it also has like a little harnessing detail. It's a little like sassy moment. Pride to me really is, and this is obviously just my experience, but I didn't feel proud until I was 25. I was comfortable with myself, I was comfortable with being gay and being out, but I don't think that sense of pride really like struck for me until I made a really amazing group of gay friends, and the sense of community and safety and just like togetherness, alikeness, sameness. It's that feeling that it really makes you feel like, oh, I'm not just like okay with myself, like I'm proud and I want to tell people and I'm like gonna shine everything I believe in outward. So last but not least, my look. I feel like the colors are all pretty muted and it allows the shoe to like have the pop. But also when you take off this jacket, I feel like this is how we all end up anyways when we're dancing. It's like, just like a cute little, camp colored shirt that has like a little Hawaiian tropical print. And these pants I love because they're high-waisted, but they also have this little cinch belt, so you can choose how snatched you want to be or not be throughout the night. All right, everybody, thank you so much for having me. Please tag at UGG and at ChrisHoran20 with all of your looks. I really, really am so excited to see them all. And yeah, I hope you had as much fun tonight as I did, and I'll see you soon.